Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if the Windows Hello feature isn't working for you on your Lenovo Yoga Slim 7 laptop. So in this video I'm going to show you what to do if you go to settings, then go to accounts, sign in options, then facial recognition, and you see not available instead of recommended option, and you cannot add or remove set up or remove facial data from your device. In such case, first of all, check whether your camera is working. So open up your camera, and if it's working, then we can start the troubleshooting, and if it's not, then check out the separate video on our channel where I explain how to fix your device's camera. Now, first thing that we want to do in such case is go to Device Manager from the Start menu, open the Device Manager, then here you'll find Cameras, expand the Cameras menu or the Cameras list, and here we want to select Integrated Infrared Camera. Double click it, select driver, click uninstall device, then click uninstall once again, then restart your laptop, and after the restart you have to open the start menu, go to settings, and check out whether the Windows Hello feature is now available for you. So let's go to sign in options, and as you can see, it's still available. So we can set up the new facial model. If it's not available, then go to Windows Update on the sidebar and check for available updates. Install all the updates, unless those are some kind of preview updates, which are not required. After the updates are installed, restart your computer. Okay, now if this didn't help you, you have to go to the web browser, then open support.lenovo.com website. Here, hover over the PC option, click Detect Product, let this website detect your product automatically, select Drivers and Software. Under Manual Update, select this option, then go to Camera and Card Reader tile and download your camera driver. Also check for biometric software. I don't have it, but maybe you will have something in here. Okay, so once we have the driver downloaded on our PC, let's do something else. Let's go back to Device Manager. Then in Device Manager you're gonna have to expand cameras once again. Now select your integrated camera driver, uninstall device, and then hit the checkbox next to attempt to remove the driver for this device. Click uninstall, wait until the device is installed, then do the same thing for your integrated infrared camera. Uninstall device, attempt to remove driver, uninstall, then restart your laptop. After the restart, we have to go back to File Explorer, go to Downloads folder, then run the driver that we downloaded. Click Yes, then click OK, accept the agreement, and click Next once again. Make sure to select Install and click Next, and click Install once again. OK, finish. And now let's go back to Settings. Let's go to Accounts, Sign in Options, select Facial Recognition, Setup, and Proceed. Enter your PIN code, and right now everything should be working just fine. Let Windows remember your face. Make sure to look directly at the camera while you're capturing your face. And now we can try to unlock the device using face recognition. And as you can see, it works perfectly, and I hope that it does for you too right now. And if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.